Welcome, today I am with Huawei MateBook D15 and I'll show you how we can enable or disable clipboard history. So the shortcut for the clipboard history, for the clipboard, it's very simple. You have to tap on window key and on V. And right now the clipboard is open, as you can see. But I don't have here the history because this option is disabled. So to enable, you have to go for the settings, click on the system. Right now we have to go for the clipboard and then enable clipboard history. And as you can see, here we get also the shortcut, so there's the window key and V. So let's try it one more time when it's enabled. As you can see right now, the clipboard history is open, it's enabled, but it's empty because I didn't copy any stuff. So yeah, that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.